G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward. It is time for November Masterclass launch. Can you believe it's November? It's getting close to that really scary month that you all know is not my favourite. But this month in November is going to be amazing. Now I have brought for you a little dog art doll, and she is called Tibby. And she is a Beagle, so she's a little young Beagle. Now the story that goes with this one is that when I left home to get married to Mr. T at a very young age of 19, I didn't want to leave my mother with that complete empty nest syndrome. So Mr. T and I went and found a beautiful little Beagle puppy for her, and I think it was the best and the worst gift I ever gave her and my dad, but they did love her, and she did live with them for a good, I think it was close to 14 years before she passed, and she was the love of their lives and did fill up a big hole that my brother and myself had left by leaving home. So very emotional make for me, this make, and she ended up feeling like a little child, a little daughter or something along the way. So very, very close to me, this one. I hope you love seeing her, and I hope you love putting your own spin on this pattern. Let's take a closer look at beautiful little Tibby. So this is Tibby, my beautiful Beagle medium-sized art doll. What a joy this has been for me to make this month. I have just absolutely channeled all of the vibes from my mother into this piece, this being exactly what her little girl looked like, same colouring and everything. Tibby is such a cat's name. Just a little bit of feedback on that. When my husband Mr. T and I gave her this little dog, she had never had a dog before in her life. She was thoroughly a cat person. I grew up as a cat person. I still adore cats to this day. And she said, I said, you can name her yourself, you know, you've waited for this your whole life. And she came up with Tibby. And everyone said, that's such a cat name. And she said, no, I think she's Tibby. So Tibby it is, not a name I would have chosen, but this little girl can't be called anything else. But she's so beautiful. She's been a joy to make, as I said, this month, and for me to design those beautiful soulful eyes that Beagles have. Quite a complicated, not difficult, but complicated head design this month, but it's the usual jigsaw puzzle that I design that all comes together so well. We also have an overdress, we've got some lovely socks, we've got boots, and I've added a little cardie, as I often like to do. She hugs her little bead doll companion, perfect for this project, perfect for a lot of our art dolls. And also we've got a gorgeous little pull-along bunny that sits by her, or she can hold it. She has armature in her arms this time, and she's just the sweetest little girl. So this one, this little companion here, she is up there for you on Pay It Forward. This is a great little project coming up to Christmas. It's a lovely little gift just on its own, and it makes a beautiful indoor home decor item as well. Of course, you could make it up in any colours. So I hope this little one has tempted you to come and join us in Masterclass and learn some more tips. We're always learning something every month, and I'd love to see more of you there. So thank you for coming and checking her out. So I just had to give her a cuddle. She's such a little sweetheart. Love the feel of the weight in those little legs too. I always talk about weighting the legs and the body. They feel like a real little baby doll. I've thoroughly enjoyed making her, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing her. And you will find the link to join Masterclass if little Tibby has tempted you. You'll find that link down below. Also the link to our Facebook page, where you can come and share anything you make with my patterns, whether it be the free pay it forward patterns or Masterclass. We love to see your work, and it's certainly very encouraging for me to keep going, seeing what you're doing with my patterns. My whole mission is to get you all educated in something that you absolutely love. It's a dying art, sewing, and particularly soft sculpture is something that is very rare. So we're doing great things there on that page. Come along and join us there. I hope everybody is feeling well. I apologise for my low energy. I've had a pneumonia virus for a good 7 weeks now, and I'm still fighting it off, but I'm still there trying, and this little one has certainly cheered me up. So I hope you all have a fantastic creative week. You will look forward to that little pattern that I've dropped for you all here, right here in Pay It Forward, of the little vintage bunny. I feel like that one's going to be a bit of a winner, a really quick and easy make. So everybody stay well, better than I'm doing. Have a beautiful creative week, everyone. Look after yourselves and remember to pay all of the good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.